me try to start catching up to you guys. Yes?
Yes.
What is the question?
Oh, the last one? We'll get there. We'll get there. So, guys, real quick, side note. What percentage is 11 over 100? Some of you guys are mouthing at me. 11 over 100 is what percent?
Wait a minute.
No, that's a decimal. What percentage is that? 11%. Make it 11, Jeff. There you go. 187 over 100 is what percent?
187.
187%. Because percent means per 100.
100.
Right? You guys see that?
Yes.
Can we stop for a minute, you guys? All that symbol is another way to write that fraction, so it's more palatable to your average human walking around. That's all it is. So this is currently 3 per 5s. Well, I don't want per 5, I want per 100. And I can make that per 100 if I multiply top and bottom by 20. So that becomes 60 over 100. Do you have to do this? No, you can do 5 into 3. Right? But this is better. If I can make the bottom 100, I'm done for both of these things. 60 over 100 is 60%. And 60 hundredths is that. I don't really need the 0, but I can if I want to.
So 0.60 is okay.
Same as 0.6. Right? Math don't give a shit about those. Why does it make sense? What is 0.60? That's 60 over 100. What's 0.6?
6%.
What place is it in?
100.
That's hundredths. This is tenths.
Okay.
What happens when you reduce 6 over 100? You could do 6/10. That's why you can keep adding zeros on as much as you want to, because it will always reduce to the same thing. Maybe? Okay. This one, not too bad now, right? What is a decimal?
42.0.
Where's the point?
0.42.
There it is. So once, twice back. It started off as 42 point. And then I got to move that decimal back twice because I'm dividing by 100. And of course, that's what's captured here.
42 per 100.
Yeah. So the fraction is actually the operation that this means that gets you here. That's how they all interact. Must be a really good class. It's not me as a teacher, I guess, that's why.
970%. 970 700?
Boy.
Once, twice. So 0.97%.
Oh.
It's not even 1% because this is so damn tiny, right? And then what is it as a fraction?
97 over
No.
1,000.
Tenths, hundredths,
0.
thousandths,
10,000.
right? Real quick side note. Watch. What's wrong with doing this and saying that's the fraction? Because a fraction is defined to be a ratio of whole numbers where the bottom's not 0. You guys with me? Well, watch what I can do. Look what I can do. If I multiply the top by 100, multiply the bottom by 100, I get the same damn thing we just got. Right? I want to get myself out the way. Do you guys see that?
Yes.
Fraction can't have decimals in it. You got decimal, you got fraction, you can't put them together. It's not like peanut butter and chocolate. Get that out of there. 813% would be what as a decimal?
8 points.
Good.
1.
Makes sense. 100% is 1. So 800% is 8. And then a little extra. And then there's a few ways to write this. What's one way to write the fraction?
8 multiplied.
813 over 100. Or you can write it as 8 and 13 hundredths. Either way. They're both the same. Now you guys are ready to go. Real quick. Is this 0.8? Is that right? Yes. So 80%. 8/10, right? No? And then 5/8, you had to divide that. What do you guys get? 62.5%. All right. We'll finish that one up next time. Some of you guys are like halfway out the door already. That's good.
You want from here, please?
Huh?
You want a 228 for me? Or- How would I-
So you write, you got one side, you got the second side, and you got a third side. Which one's just X? Build up what the other ones are, and then perimeter means add them all up. So you gotta write down what they are in Mathish.